Megeredchian Law is a top choice for motorcycle accident attorneys in Los Angeles, California, with expertise in helmet laws, lane splitting, and fault determination. They offer personalized, 24/7 legal support, free evaluations, and a contingency-based payment model, making them a reliable firm for motorcyclists seeking compensation. Are you looking for a motorcycle accident attorney in Los Angeles, California? You can stop looking, you found Megeredchian Law. How long do I have to file a motorcycle accident claim in Los Angeles? In Los Angeles, you generally have 2 years from the date of a motorcycle accident to file a personal injury claim. It's crucial to act quickly and consult with a motorcycle accident attorney, such as those at Megeredchian Law, to meet all deadlines and secure your right to compensation. What should I look for when choosing a motorcycle accident attorney in Los Angeles? Choose a motorcycle accident attorney in Los Angeles with a proven track record in handling such cases, like Megeredchian Law. Ensure they offer 24/7 personalized support, work on a contingency basis, and have a reputation for effective communication and successful negotiations with insurance companies. What is the service area of Megeredchian Law? Megeredchian Law offers services throughout the following locations: Los Angeles, Rubidoux, Grand Terrace, Pedley, Bloomington, Glen Avon, Colton, Mira Loma, Loma Linda, Fontana, Rialto, Moreno Valley, San Bernardino, Norco, and Redlands. Where is Megeredchian Law located in Los Angeles, California? We are located at 1001 Wilshire Boulevard 100, Los Angeles, California 90017, United States. Our phone number is 213-340-1085. Visit our website at www.megeredchianlaw.com/Los-Angeles-car-accident-attorney.